Want to create eye-catching overlays, crisp captions, or seamless picture-in-picture effects in your videos? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to order your layers in CapCut for PC. By the end, you'll understand how the timeline's Z-index, or stacking hierarchy, works, and be able to control what shows up on top in your final video. Let's dive right in. So in CapCut for PC, your timeline isn't just a place to line up clips in order. It's also where you control the stacking, what shows up in front and what stays in the background. Think of it like building a sandwich. The ingredient you put on top is what you'll see first, while the lower layers form the foundation. This visual hierarchy is managed by a system called Z-index, which determines the order of appearance from bottom to top. Let's start by identifying your clips. Take a moment to look over your timeline, which runs horizontally across the bottom of your CapCut window. Each row, called a track, can hold a different clip, image, effect, or sticker. For example, maybe you want your main footage as the background, with a title card or an emoji sticker floating over it. In that case, your footage would sit in a lower track, while your overlays like text or effects go on a higher track. Knowing which clip should be above or below others is the key to arranging your layers effectively. Next, let's change the order. Say you want your title to be more visible, or a cutaway picture to show above your main video. Click and hold the clip you want to move. Let's say it's a sticker, or maybe a small video insert. As you click and hold, you'll notice the clip highlights, ready to be shifted. Now, drag it vertically up or down. If you want it to appear above your main video footage, move it to a higher track, like track 2, track 3, or the overlays track. These tracks are literally stacked on top of the lower ones, which means anything you put there will cover what's beneath. Don't worry if this part feels a little fiddly. CapCut's snap-to-grid timeline helps guide you as you move clips between tracks, so you won't accidentally drop your clip halfway between tracks. Why does this matter? Well, higher tracks are where you add elements that need to stand out, like captions, stickers, effects, or picture-in-picture inserts. If you were editing an interview, for instance, you might want a lower track with your main footage, a higher track with the person's name and text, and maybe another track for a logo in the corner. That way, everything is layered realistically, just like cutting construction paper before gluing it down. Once your clip is in the right spot, simply release the mouse button to drop it onto that track. You'll see your timeline update, and the preview window will instantly show your new arrangement. Remember, the elements in the highest track at any given moment will be the most visible. So, if something disappears behind your main video, double-check its track position. A quick drag up or down makes all the difference. Take a few moments to experiment with your clips and tracks. Don't worry about making mistakes. You can always undo a change or tweak the order again until things look perfect. And that's really all there is to mastering layer order in CapCut for PC. With this knowledge, you can create truly dynamic videos, add stylish overlays, or make your graphics pop exactly where you want them. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps out. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or let me know other CapCut tricks you'd like to learn. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. See you in the next video.